Learn French words and phrases. How to say beautiful in French.
Beautiful, feminine, belle. Beautiful, belle. Beautiful, belle. Beautiful, masculine, beau. Beautiful, beau. Beautiful, beau. Beautiful, beau. Now you try. Beautiful, belle. Beautiful, beau.